Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. I've got a video here for you salt lovers out there. I'm gonna show you how to make your own celery salt to replace the table salt that you might be adding to your meals. So this is gonna just be made out of pure celery that we're gonna chop up, throw in the dehydrator, and then blend down into a celery salt. So it's very simple and it's delicious, and it's gonna make a great addition to your recipes in place of that white table salt. All right, so we're just gonna cut this down into very thin strips. And you may need to wash off your celery if it's got some dirt on there. So maybe I'm gonna do that really quick here, and then I'll put it back on the tray. All right, so we've got the celery washed off here. I just wiped it down a little. Now we're just, like I said, gonna chop these into thin slices and then toss them onto the tray here. So it's very simple. And the thinner you slice it, the shorter the drying time is gonna be. And also another benefit of doing your salt this way, instead of using table salt, you're using the celery salt, which is gonna have the organic minerals instead of just the inorganic table salt. So this way it is much more bioavailable to your body, and it is just so beneficial. It has so many more nutrients and minerals within it that your body is going to love. So we're just gonna move our cut up celery onto the tray, and then we're gonna stick this into the dehydrator for about 10 to 16 hours. You can even go up to 24 hours. And once that is complete, we will take it out and we'll be ready to blend. Alright guys, so here is our dehydrated celery. You can definitely see how much it has condensed down. We started off with those big celery stalks, and now we've got them down into these little confetti-like pieces. So we're gonna toss these into the blender, blend them for about 15 or 20 seconds, and we're gonna have ourselves some delicious celery salt that we can add to our recipes and use in place of that table salt. All right, so there is our finished product. It's about 3 ounces of celery salt, and that was 1 head of celery. So if you want a little more, you can do maybe 2 heads, and you'll have a very good amount of celery salt. It doesn't take much though. This is very strong and flavorful stuff. So give it a try, guys. I hope you enjoy it, and this way you can start to improve your health by having less added salt in your diet, and it's a delicious way to do it. So I hope you have a great day, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Always remember to follow your raw intuition.
Detoxify your mind and body. Be the change you want to see. Small steps towards living better. Small steps to where I want to be.